Hey guys, Tracy Martin with Straight Consulting. So I wanted to make sure that this is on your radar. We just opened up registration this week and threw on a couple of Facebook ads. So if you haven't seen something, don't worry about it. If you've seen something about it and you're like, what is that? Here's the deal. So what we're doing is we are going to go ahead and do our traditional annual TC Mastery course, the one I do every year with about 100 or so TCs in Vegas or somewhere fun, the live in-person course. I'm going to do that exact same course remotely, and I'm going to do it over the month of February. Now, here's the logic behind it. So 2023 is going to be a tough year. There's no way around it. I'm definitely seeing it in the practices. I'm sure that you are already seeing it too. So that said, I think this is the year that we need as much support and resources as possible. So in order to go ahead and get more stuff out there to make this course more accessible than it's ever been, we're going to go ahead and do the same in-person live workshop. We're going to do it remotely, and we're going to do it in a couple sessions, and it's still going to be the same work in the workshop. This is not just me lecturing to you. This is not me lecturing to your TCs and then maybe having a couple Q&A at the end. No, this is the workshop with your TCs, asking questions along the way, making sure that they understand the strategies that I'm teaching them so that we can actually implement them. I want to sharpen as many tools in the TC's toolbox as possible for what I think is going to be a really tough year. So let me be clear. This is the same exact workshop. So same slide deck that I just went through in Nashville with the Nashville girls. This is the same workbook. I'm going to give them the workbook so that they can follow along and take copious notes. I want lots of notes. I want lots of questions all along the way. I'm also going to open this up to doctors. So if doctors want to learn how to be a great TC as well, I think that that's a really very good strategy for 2023. If you have somebody in the practice that you want to learn to be a backup TC, this is your option to do it. And it's all without the need to buy flights or hotels. So I think that that's kind of a win. But if you want to find out some more information, just go to our website, straightconsulting.com. Go over here to the TC Mastery tab here, right? And then just there'll be some details all throughout here of what you can expect. But the thing I want to point out to you guys is the schedule. So the only way that I could pull off this course remotely successfully is if I do two things. One is I have to keep the group small. I have to keep the group intimate. There's no way I can do this with 100 TCs. It's not going to be as impactful at that size, right? You know it, I know it. We're not going to do that. So I don't know what the number is, but I know I'm going to keep the group small. So first come, first serve. Go ahead and sign up because you should save your seat. It's not going to be a large group. I can promise you that. I need this to be a group of people who want to come and learn and want to be poured into, want to sharpen their tools. And I can't let it be just me lecturing at a giant group. So that's just not an option. Number two is that I have to do this in sessions, right? I can't give you a full 12 module course in one day remotely. Your TCs are gonna tune out. It's just not gonna work. So we're gonna do it in sessions. And so we're gonna do it every Tuesday, TC Tuesday, every Tuesday, hopefully over their lunch break. Now, when I say lunch break, I mean it's going to be at noon Central Time. So to my Central Time TCs, I got you, boo. Now, for my East Coast and my West Coast friends, maybe not so much. Apologies. So you're going to have to maybe block out the schedule. I'd go ahead and block out the schedule 90 minutes in those, at your associated time there based off of your time zone. So if you have questions, please feel free to reach out to my team. contact@straightconsulting.com is the email. You can also just message us through the website as well. But I hope to have your group there. And yeah, here's to 2023. Let's see how it goes. Bye, guys.